Once you unpack the Electra BL centrifuge, take out the power cord, and you shall find this is a 5 ampere power cord, and the 5 ampere power cord's one end like this should be fixed in the back side of the Electra BL centrifuge. Once you are fixing it, fix it tightly so that there is no loose connection, and another end must be fixed with the electricity board. And once you are fixing like this, then open the centrifuge. After opening the centrifuge, take out the tube holders, and once you take out each tube holder, you shall find there is a rubber adapter, and put adapter inside each and every test tube accordingly, and put the test tube holder inside the instrument bag. Do this for all the test tube holders.